In today's video, I am going to teach you how to take Squarespace website offline. The process is simple, and you can do it directly from your Squarespace dashboard in just a few moments. Taking your site offline in Squarespace does not delete your content. Instead, it changes who can access the site, which is useful if you are making updates, preparing a redesign, or temporarily hiding the website from public view. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and open your dashboard. From there, click on the website that you want to take offline. This will bring you into the main management area for that site, where you can control its settings and visibility. Once you are inside the website dashboard, look over to the left-hand navigation panel and click Settings. This section contains the main controls for your website, including options related to access, permissions, and overall site behavior. After you open Settings, scroll down until you find Site Availability. If you do not see it right away, you can also use the Settings search bar to locate it more quickly. This is the area where Squarespace lets you decide whether your site is public or restricted. Click on Site Availability, and then select Private. Choosing Private means your website will no longer be openly accessible to the public in the usual way. This is the key setting that effectively takes the site offline for general visitors while keeping the site itself intact inside your account. After selecting Private, make sure you save the change. Look to the top left corner of the screen and click Save. This final step is important, because the website will not actually update its availability until the new setting is saved. Once the change is saved, your Squarespace website will be offline to public visitors. If you ever want to make it available again, you can return to the same site availability setting and adjust it back later. A helpful tip is to wait a moment after saving and then check that the setting has been applied correctly. That way, you can be confident that your site is no longer publicly visible. That covers everything you need to know.